One time. Spot baby. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them a come, them a feel alive. One by one, them a step in on me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh yeah. Go low. Man a tell him, me them go slow.
I recall the past again tonight. It's in the front of my mind. As I fall apart, you began to cry. The tears are making you blind. The future's far away, but I will stay. Just take a leap of faith. We'll find a way for you and me. Can't look back and run from what I feel inside. There's no more time to hide, because I feel again. I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. I feel it again. I feel it again. I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to fight against the grain of throwing out what we made? The future's far away, but I will stay. Because I feel again. I feel again. Oh, now I feel again. We're bringing this back to life. We're picking up where we left off and on again. We never quite could forget, 'cause what we got so intense. I feel it again. I feel it again. I feel again. We're bringing this back to life.
just to give you an overall thought on this hair, you guys, I absolutely love this unit from YSwigs. Their unit is so amazing. I love the fullness of the unit. I love the deep parting space. I absolutely love the natural looking hairline as well. I love the hair density, you guys. This hair is just amazing. The deep parting space is one thing that I always look for when I'm like looking for a wig. I love that you have enough space for your parting. All right, and the texture is just amazing. Like, it looks so natural, and I absolutely love the way the hair feels. It's so soft and silky. I did not do much to the hair, you guys. All I did was to straighten it a bit since it was like folded when it came. I just had to like straighten it a bit, and it was just like effortless. The hair is so amazing and beautiful. So I am going to leave all the hair details in the description box down below, so you guys can go and check out YSwigs, and I'm gonna leave all the products used in the description box down below.
It's fake kills.
One time.
Stand up.
Baby. One time. It's got to baby. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them I come, them I feel alive.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Also comment, rate, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.